Okay, welcome to the class, students. This is Unit 8. The topic is sound, and I want to finish this topic within one session. If it became impossible, then in next session we'll finish, including exercise. Okay, then at first let's move to the general principle of sound. Sound means voice. Yes. Then what is sound? It comes at first. How is sound produced? Sound is a type of energy made by vibration. Vibration means to and fro motions. That means repeated motions in the same path. That is vibration. When any object vibrates, then it helps to produce sound. And before producing sound, a kind of movement is made. That movement is called vibration, and the structure of that vibration produced, that is called sound wave. What is sound wave? We'll discuss later on. In our daily life, there are great importance of sound. Then in communication with one another, we use sound through speech. We talk each other. That is communication. From radio uh, and television, we get information, news, and we get entertained. And in musical sound gives us pleasure. We feel happy. In the vehicles, horn sound. Yes, that horn sound alert us whether to cross the road or to stop on the way. Yes, these are the few examples of sound in our daily life. At first, how each sound produced? You can see here is one experiment to demonstrate the vibration of any object with the help of one scale ruler. On the table, one scale is hold it tightly, and with the help of next hand, scale is given vibration by sudden strike. By hitting to the one end of the scale is made to vibrate. Then scale moves up and down. Scale moves up and down. That means uh, this scale moves up and down. Yes, and it produces one vibration, and it is vibration, and it produces sound. Yes, there are few examples of instruments which produce sound. In one picture, in first picture, there is one drum. In the drum, with the help of two hammers, when heated, then it produces sound. At that time, what happens? The skin of the drum will vibrate. Skin of the drum will vibrate, and that vibration makes production of sound. This skin will vibrate. This skin, one small thin layer is there, that is called skin, and that will vibrate and produces sound. Similarly, in the second picture in guitar, when we hit the string of the guitar, when we hit the string of guitar, yes, in the string, then string vibrates. String vibrates in to and fro motion. That means string will vibrate in this way, both way, to and fro, up and down motion. String will vibrate, and that produces sound. In third picture, there is one uh, tool. Its name is tuning fork. and vibrating prong, P-R-O-N-G, prong. Two arms are there. These arms are called prong. And when these prongs are heated with one hammer, with one rubber pad, then this prong will vibrate. You can see two shadows, left side and right side, in the left side and right side in the prong. One is in this way and another is in this way. That is, in this way it will vibrate and it produces sound. These are few examples which produce sound. Yes. Then that means sound is produced by vibration. By the vibration, sound is produced. Vibrating guitar strings, sound production. Vibrating ear inside trumpet. Do you know what is trumpet? Do you know trumpet? Do you know what is trumpet? What is this trumpet? Trumpet is one musical instrument uh, played in marriage ceremony. Yes, played in marriage ceremony. That is black flute like structure. That is called trumpet. Flute like structure is there. That is trumpet. Then when we blow air inside trumpet, then air will vibrate inside the trumpet. Then by the vibration of air, sound is produced. Similarly, vibrating prongs of tuning fork. This tuning fork means U-shaped, already displayed in the first slide. That is heated and it will vibrate, then sound is produced. That means by all these experiments, we can conclude that sound is produced by vibration. When hard objects are struck, they vibrate and produce sound waves. That means how is sound produced? It is by vibration of object, hard object. Then any object which is vibrating, it produces sound. Then how do we hear? How do we hear sound? Sound is collected by pinna. Pinna means ear. Pinna means external ear of our body part. Pinna. This pinna means external ear. External ear is called uh, pinna. And by the collection of sound by pinna, it is given to inside of our ear and we feel sound. And we feel sound and we feel hearing. Look here, from the speaker, sound is produced, and in ear from in between speaker up to our ear, ear particles are vibrating up and down, and it makes one wave. You can see here wave formation is there, and that wave formation is here. From here, yes, this is wave formation. By this wave formation, this means ear particles are vibrating, and by vibrating, that energy is transferred from one place to another, and up to our ear it comes up to this part. Then that is given to our inside ear and we feel sound. In this way we hear sound through ear. Till now, what is sound? Sound is produced when something vibrates. A sound wave is the movement of alternating compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. Look here. Compression means some air particles are very compact. Very compact. This compact part is called compression C, and this uh, rarely distributed particles is rarefaction. This is rarefactions. This is rarefactions are rarefaction. C means compression. This compact C, and this is rarefactions R. In this way, compression and rarefactions are made in air. That means some air particles are compact, some are distributed widely. And by this phenomenon, compression and rarefaction is formed, and this is called wave, and that sound travels through this type of wave, and this is called longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Look here. Longitudinal wave means this compression and rarefaction is there, and that type of wave is called longitudinal wave. When air particles are compressed or bounced off together, bounced means grouped together, and it is called compression. When air particles are spread out, it is called rarefaction. By this compression and rarefactions, sound wave is traveled from one place to another. What is sound? Here is the definition of sound. It is the sensation that is caused by stimulation of the organs of hearing by vibrations transmitted through the ear or another medium. Or it is transmitted as condensation and rarefaction. Condensation means compression, and rarefaction means air particles distributed rarely. And it is called pressure wave. In some place there is high pressure, in some place there is low pressure. High pressure means condensation, low pressure means rarefactions. Okay, and here is one uh, uh, data, that is which type of sounds are observable with our ears. Human ear can listen up to 20 kilocycles. That means 20,000 cycles per second. It is the measurement of frequency of sound wave from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. We can hear sound. This 20 hertz, HRTZ hertz, and from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz. This is the unit of frequency of sound, and after this frequency we can hear sound, and beyond that we cannot hear. Here is one demonstration. Look here. Human sound can hear from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz only. Beyond that, we cannot hear. Below that, we cannot hear. We can hear only this sound from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz sound. Below that sound is called infrasound. Infrasound, look here, infrasound means this. Below 20 hertz sound is infrasound. That type of sound is observable by animals' ear, like elephant, dog, goats, etc. And above 20,000 hertz, That sound is called ultrasound. That can be heard by bats. That can be heard by bats. We cannot hear. Only bats can hear that sound. Therefore, human ears can listen from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz sound. Okay, this is just one representation of the sound wave in frequency which we can hear. Okay, next, when sound travels in any medium, it vibrates that particles. That means sound need a medium to travel from one place to another. Then without wave formation, sound cannot pass from one place to another place. That means it needs sound. It needs medium. Without medium, it cannot move from one place to another. Sound cannot propagate through vacuum. Sound cannot propagate, cannot move in vacuum. Look here, in vacuum. Vacuum means there is no matter, no any particle is there. That place is called vacuum. In vacuum, sound cannot travel. You know, uh, in moon, what particle is there? What matter is there? What is the matter present in moon? Can you say no? What is the matter present in moon's atmosphere? Do you know? No. Till now, it is assumed that there is no atmosphere in moon. No atmosphere means there is vacuum. Therefore, we cannot hear sound in moon. We cannot hear sound in moon because there is no particle in moon, no atmosphere. We cannot talk there because sound needs medium to propagate, to travel from one place to another. Sound needs medium. This is the same compression and rarefaction. Compactly positioned particles. That place is called compression, and loosely situated, loosely stated, state that particles, air particles, that place is rarefaction. Okay. Then in different mediums, sound has different speed. There are mainly three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid medium, speed of sound is maximum, like in metal, in wood, sound travels very fast. In liquid medium, in water, sound travels in less speed than solid. In gas medium, that means in air, sound travels very slow. Then people talk each other. Then by which medium they feel sound? Can anybody give answer? Yes. When two students talk each other, then in which medium sound will transferred? Hello? In which medium? Okay, Chetman.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In कुन माध्यमबाट अगाडि बढ्छ होला?
Sir,
Yes.
both of sir.
Yes. Chetman.
Yes, sir.
Yes. साथीहरु कुरा गर्दाखेरि साउन्ड कुन मिडियमबाट अगाडि गएको हुन्छ र हामी सुन्छौं? कुन माध्यमबाट आएको आवाज हामीले सुन्छौं? एक आपसमा कुरा
Sir,
गर्दै।
ठोस
Solid
किनकि
solid
सर त्यहाँ ठोस हुन्छ किनकि त्यहाँ अरूहरू खाइदिएर रहेका हुन्छन् नि सर।
नो
न सर?
नो कुरा गर्दाखेरि हावाको
What
माध्यमबाट हावाको माध्यमबाट
खाइदिएर रहेका हुन्छन् त्यसैले
gas or wings to travel more quickly through it.
हामी कुरा गर्दाखेरि इयर मिडियमबाट कुरा सुन्छौं है। जस्तो अहिले म यहाँ बोलिरहेको छु तिमीले सुनेको यो चाहिँ होइन हैन। म अहिले बोलिरहेको छु तिमीले घरमा बसेर सुनिरहेको छौ यो त साइन्टिफिक डेभलपमेन्टबाट भयो, टेक्नोलोजीको कुरा भयो। तर प्रत्यक्ष आम्ने सामने बसेर कुरा गर्दाखेरि प्रत्यक्ष आम्ने सामने बसेर कुरा गर्दाखेरि एउटै कोठामा बसेर कुरा गर्दाखेरि एकले बोलेको अर्कोले सुन्छौ नि, त्यो बेलामा आवाज ग्यास मिडियमबाट अगाडि ट्राभल गरेको हुन्छ है। हावाको माध्यमबाट साउन्ड वेभ ट्राभल